Even as the Delta variant of coronavirus goes on to drive the rise in infections around the world, another variant, the Lambda variant, is being seen by scientists and experts as an emerging threat. On 14 June, WHO designated the Lambda variant as the seventh and newest variant of interest. Like the Delta variant, the Lambda variant, which has now been detected in more than 25 countries across the world, is feared to be more transmissible than the original virus. Although this has not yet been established because lack of enough researchers and studies on this particular topic. It has been the dominant variant in Peru and other countries of South America. The Lambda variant of coronavirus has not yet been found in the Indian population but has very recently been detected in the United Kingdom and other European countries. The Lambda variant is not a new emergence. It has been around for at least since last year, possibly from August 2020. It is believed to have originated in Peru, where it accounts for 80% of the infections. It is also the dominant strain in Chile. But until recently, it was largely concentrated in a handful of South American countries, including Ecuador and Argentina. Since the end of March this year, this variant, the Lambda variant, has been detected in more than 25 countries, although the number of cases are still very less. United Kingdom has said that it had found the Lambda variant in 6 infected people, of which all were international travelers. Very recently, it has also been found in Australia. According to WHO, the Lambda variant has about 7 significant mutations in the spike protein, which could have a range of implications, including possibility of an increased transmissibility or enhanced resistance towards the antibodies created either through natural infection or by the process of vaccination. A recent study by the researchers at Chile has reported that the Lambda variant of coronavirus has greater infectivity as compared to the Alpha and the Gamma variants of the virus. The study has also noted decreased effectiveness of the Chinese Sinovac vaccine against the Lambda variant of coronavirus. However, behavior of the Lambda variant is not well understood right now. World Health Organization has said that there is limited evidence on the full extent of the impact associated with these genomic changes, and robust studies and researchers are needed to better understand the impact on countermeasures and to control the spread of the virus variant. The studies are also required to validate the continued effectiveness of the vaccines. But the designation as the variant of interest means that the genetic changes involved are predicted or known to affect the transmissibility, severity of disease, or the immune escape. It is also an acknowledgement of the fact that the Lambda variant has caused significant community transmission in many countries as well as population groups. There are currently 7 variants of coronavirus, including the Lambda variant, that the World Health Organization classifies as variants of interest. Another 4 variants, namely the Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and Delta, have been designated as variants of concern and are considered as a bigger threat. All these have recently been named after the letters of the Greek alphabets in order to avoid any linkages with the country of origin that had been happening until then. The Lambda variant of coronavirus has so far not been found in India or any neighboring country to India. In Asia, only Israel has reported this particular variant. But several countries in Europe from where travel to India is quite frequent, including France, United Kingdom, Germany, and Italy, have already reported this variant of coronavirus. The potential of the emerging variants of the virus to bypass immunity gained through vaccination means that there could be a fresh wave of infections even in populations and countries that were being considered close to reaching the community level protection. And this is what's been happening in many countries of Europe right now, particularly the United Kingdom. There has been a sharp rise in cases of COVID-19 in several countries in the past few weeks. And this means that a country like India, which is still recovering from the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic, would need to look for and prevent the spread of any new variant of the coronavirus that could trigger or lead to a fresh wave of the pandemic.